This fully ventilated kinking wig is what we're going to be using for this tutorial, okay? And if you've not seen how I normally would ventilate my kinking full lace wig, I'll just put the link in the description box so you get to see it, how I make it from start to finish, okay? So because the wig in itself look like natural 4C hair, I'm just going to make a style on it that will be easy to rock. It's going to be a braid and is very lightweight. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Almost Styles. You are highly welcome. My OGs, you're welcome. If you are seeing this channel for the very first time, please do not make it your last. Ensure to subscribe. Hit the red subscribe button and then turn on your post notification bell so you get notified anytime I get to post a new video. You'll be the first to see it, okay? So I just go ahead to twist out this hair. I start with a braid and then I just go ahead and twist this hair like you would do your 4C natural hair. All right, so I'm sectioning it, I'm combing it out, I'm twisting it out. After twisting the full lace wig, then I'll now go ahead and incorporate the extension that I'm going to be showing you in this later part of this video. Do not skip any part, just ensure to watch the full, and then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, because it will help the algorithm to show it to others. And please, if you like it also, I don't mind, you can as well share to your friends and family, okay? For the extension, I'm going to be using this Mali hair, and of course, I'm going to be using this rubber band for the braids. I'm going to go ahead and finish up with a twist, but this time around, I'm not going to be sectioning it like box braid. I'm just going to section it like, is it a triangle or diagonal shape? I don't know. Probably I failed my shape lessons, but you know what I'm trying to say. Just look at the video. You would understand the shape your girl is trying to make. But however, I just wanted to make it look stylish and different in front, okay? So when I'm done with that, we'll just go ahead and add the extensions to the twist, and I'll show you how to do that, okay? So while I'm at it, I'm going to ensure that the twist is going to be even in number and not odd number, because from here I'm going to be taking it in pairs, okay? you like this video so far, have you subscribed to the channel? Do well to subscribe and then turn on your post notification bell so you get notified anytime I get to post a new video. And then have you given this video a thumbs up? If you haven't done so already, just take a second and just give this video a thumbs up. Okay. So at this point, I'm already wrapping up with the hair, and I already love it because it's so simple and beautiful. Trust me, this kind of wig will be very suitable for the minimalist, like those people that don't like heavy and bulky kind of braided wig. Just going ahead to attach the rubber band to the tip of the hair to secure and as well as make it look beautiful. I just went ahead to trim out all the flyovers in the hair. So I trim out all the flyovers and to ensure that the hair is smooth and it's okay. So this is how this hair is looking like. Trust me, this wig is so lightweight. I've done a lot of braided wig, and I can tell you for free and for a fact that this is like the lightest braided wig ever. Like it's so light and very easy to make. Trust me on this. Okay, see you guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.